وَيَزِيدُ اللَّهُ الَّذِينَ اهْتَدَوْا هُدًى. And Allah Ta'ala increases the guidance of those who are rightly guided. Every time they recite the Quran, their guidance increase. Every time the revelation would come down, then the Sahaba radiallahu anhum would increase their Eman and they would feel rejuvenated. وَالْبَاقِيَاتُ الصَّالِحَاتِ, like we mentioned yesterday, the good deeds. Good deeds increases your Iman as well. And good deeds increases your guidance as well. So when a person continues to perform his salah, then he is holding up his deen. And together with that, Allah Ta'ala will guide him through his other matters, his other affairs of dunya as well. Like Umar radiallahu anhu used to write to his ministers and he would say that a person who holds up his salah, then he will hold up every other activity and responsibility that has been given to him. And the person who destroys his salah, فَهُوَ لِمَا سِوَاهَا أَضِيَعُ, he will destroy everything else, all other responsibilities that have been given to him as well. That is why to our children as well, to the youth around, we should always try to inculcate salah as the first habit or a first way of reforming ourselves. وَالْبَاقِيَاتُ الصَّالِحَاتِ, and lasting good deeds are the best in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. خَيْرٌ عِنْدَ رَبِّكَ ثَوَابًا, in terms of reward. وَخَيْرٌ مَرَدًّا, and in terms of consequences. A person, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that قُلْ هَلْ يَسْتَوِي الَّذِينَ يَعْلَمُونَ وَالَّذِينَ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ, that someone who knows the deen and is practicing upon the deen, someone who doesn't know the deen and is not practicing upon the deen, they cannot be the same. Then another verse Allah Ta'ala says that are you making a believer equal to a kafir? That how can a believer be equal to a kafir? It's two different things. The believer is believing in Allah, he's practicing upon his deen, and he's fulfilling his task. He will not be dealt in the same way how a person who's not believing in Allah and is not fulfilling the responsibilities that is upon him and is doing his sinful activities. On the day of Qiyamah, they cannot be treated the same.